To delete voicemail on your Tracfone flip phone, dial *86 to access the voicemail system. You'll need your PIN to proceed, often the default 0000 or the last four digits of your phone number. Once in the voicemail menu, listen to your messages by pressing 1. To delete a message immediately, press 7 while listening. If you want to keep it for later, press 9 to save. Remember that deleting removes the voicemail permanently from Tracfone's servers, so ensure you no longer need it. This process interacts directly with Tracfone's carrier-hosted voicemail system, separate from the phone's storage. This method applies to most Tracfone flip phone models like Alcatel MyFlip 4G or TCL Flip 2. PIN security is crucial for voicemail privacy. To change your PIN, access voicemail settings by dialing 86 and following the prompts. Use a unique 4 to 6-digit code to prevent unauthorized access. If you forget your PIN, reset it via Tracfone's website or by calling customer service at 1-800-867-7183. Be aware that most Tracfone flip phones do not natively support bulk deletion. You typically need to manually listen to and delete each message individually. Some models might allow deleting all unheard messages at once by pressing during playback, but this varies. While Tracfone offers voicemail-to-text transcription on some compatible phones, simplifying deletion via SMS commands, manual keypad deletion remains common. Always prioritize PIN management for secure voicemail access.